Alright guys, the time is here and the HONOR Magic 7 Pro is officially announced, and I think in today's video we got a lot to cover about this particular device. You know, whenever a new phone launches, some of you might not be excited. You guys say that, you know, it's still launching the same thing. There's not much changes, but for the HONOR Magic 7 Pro, you know, there's so many changes that I want to share with you guys. So maybe get yourself some drinks, coffee, whatever, sit back, relax, and let's go through the HONOR Magic 7 Pro. Now, first things first, I'm going to separate today's video into 3 components. So the first one I'll talk about is flagship features, what makes it a flagship. Number 2, I want to focus a little bit more on the cameras at the back here because, you know, it's got so many things going for it. And last but not least, we'll touch very quickly on the AI features, which I actually covered back in the Magic OS video. So let's begin today's video right away. Now, first things first, how does this Magic 7 Pro, you know, live up to the name as a flagship? Well, of course, it's got some flagship looks. It is very premium at the back here. Personally, I do like this new design compared to the Magic 6 Pro. It really is up to your choice on what you like, but I like this very smooth touch at the back. The camera module is more circular, not too many fancy shapes going on, and overall the entire feel of the phone just feels very premium, and it's now IP68 and 69 rated. That means it's more durable. Now, it's also worth mentioning that at the front here it's got this HONOR Nano Crystal Shield that actually makes the screen like 10 times more durable or more drop resist. So I'm not going to do a drop test today because I'm still using the phone. In fact, I've been using it for I think almost slightly more than a month now. But yeah, it's got a very durable display at the front as well. Now, speaking about the display, what we have at the front here is a 6.8-inch AI eye comfort display. So other than being your typical AMOLED display, LTPO 120Hz, very bright, it also comes with a host of features to actually protect your eyes. In fact, the PWM dimming is up to 4320Hz, so that's actually pretty high. You also have your dynamic dimming, your natural tone display, and it's also TOV Rhineland certified for a couple of things. So long story short, this is a display that's going to be easier on your eyes. So that's just in terms of the display. The chipset here, obviously being a flagship, is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, very powerful. You also get that 12 plus 12GB of RAM combination, and my model here comes with 512GB of internal memory. Now, moving on to the battery on board, this year we are seeing almost every single phone getting a bump in terms of their battery sizes. So it's the same case for the HONOR Magic 7 Pro here. We are getting a 5850 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports 100-watt charging and 80-watt wireless charging. Yep, you heard that right. Both wired and wireless is available on the Magic 7 Pro. Now, last but not least, of course, we have to talk about the cameras at the back. Now, basically, what we have here for the main camera is a 50-megapixel unit with an adjustable aperture. We also have a 200-megapixel ultra telephoto lens, and last but not least, we also have a 50-megapixel ultra wide camera. Now, those are just numbers, but this brings me on to my second section, and that's about, you know, what is the camera really up to on the HONOR Magic 7 Pro. Now, here's where it gets interesting, and I want to talk about the first point here, and that's called AI Super Zoom. Now, you might have thought about phones these days, you know, everyone is having like 50 times zoom, all the way up to 70, 80, 90, and even 100 times digital zoom. But more often than not, the zoom capabilities of those phones, you know, whenever they take a photo, it looks very blurred, pixelated, and all that. Some phones even only go all the way up to 25 times. But with HONOR, what they are doing here is they are combining both the hardware as well as software using AI to bring those 100 times digital zoom shots to make it look even clearer than ever. And it really works. So being able to actually use this 100 times zoom on the HONOR Magic 7 Pro is definitely going to change the way you look at things and also explore more possibilities, you know, in terms of taking those super far away shots. But please do not zoom in on your neighbors next door. Alright, so that's just the first part. Now, moving on to the second part, in terms of the camera experience, I was able to capture pictures that look very detailed. Naturally, I was on the trip to Dubai, you know, I think last month, like I said, and I was able to take in a lot of beautiful photos, and the photos look very color accurate. They look very sharp, very detailed. But I want to touch very quickly on the portraits. Now, we also have these AI enhanced portraits going on, and it supports the Harcourt Studio photos, which you might have seen on a previous HONOR video. You can choose the kind of tones that you prefer, and you can get a very nice looking portrait shot. Now, furthermore, the phone itself also features an enhanced Falcon capture. That means you can actually freeze fast-moving subjects, and it also supports HD Super Burst. That means that it's able to take 10 high-quality shots in just 1 second. Now, everything that I said just now is related to the photo taking process, but once you have finished taking the photo, let's say you want to edit them, you have your AI eraser, you have your AI cutout, and very soon HONOR will actually bring in AI out painting in a future update. So that's the camera experience on the HONOR Magic 7 Pro. Now let's move on to our final section and touch very quickly on the AI features that you can expect on this guy. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm not sure if you checked out my Magic OS video earlier on, but we have a new feature here called AI deepfake detection. And this basically allows the phone to detect if the person on the other end of a video call is actually using software to alter their look and pretend to be someone else. So it's going to give you a bit more safer video calls. Now moving on, we also have Magic Portal 2.0 that makes it even more seamless to use because it integrates with even more applications right now. So you can just use your knuckle to circle on the screen, and depending on the content that you circle, the phone itself will give you a couple of suggestions. For instance, if you circle an address, it will link you directly to your maps. If you circle on a picture, it will link it to a share to your social media or your friends and all that. So it's a very intuitive process with Magic Portal 2.0. Now moving on to the third one, and this is actually a very impressive AI feature, and that's actually found in the AI Notes app. Now over here, you can not only use it to produce AI meeting minutes, you can even go so detailed to the point where the phone is able to detect which speaker is speaking at a specific point of time, but you can even format your points and create summaries real quick. So it's all available in the AI Notes app. Furthermore, in case you need help with translation, you also have your AI Translate, so that works with both one-way and two-way conversations, depending on the situation that you're in. And finally, it also supports that Google Gemini, which of course, you can use a ton of things with Google Gemini, using it as your personal assistant, drawing stuff, answering your questions, a ton of stuff. But for the full breakdown on all the AI features that you can use, I do recommend you check out my Magic OS video that I did about a week ago. Now finally, before we go, just another two small items that I want to quickly mention because it's not covered too much in other videos. Number one is all about that 3D Face ID that the HONOR Magic 7 Pro uses. That's similar to the one on the iPhones. This is actually more secure than just your typical face unlock. And the fact that it combines it together with the ultrasound fingerprint that's very quick makes it even more secure. And lastly, yes, in terms of the speakers, this is one of the strongest stereo speakers that we found on any phone to date. It's actually very bassy, and you can actually use it as sort of like a small Bluetooth speaker replacement. Yeah, the sound on this device here is actually very, very strong. Anyways, that pretty much sums up my quick video here on the Magic 7 Pro. Not only does it come with the flagship kind of features and specifications to give you a very smooth all-around experience, but it also comes with that really solid cameras at the back there with those new AI super zoom features, which again is very impressive. And it also has those AI stuff that, will help you out in the day-to-day. Anyway, let me know what you think about the HONOR Magic 7 Pro. Personally, I feel that we have to give credit to HONOR for making their new phones, interesting with actual new and useful features. Now with that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Sorry that it's a bit longer than usual. And yeah, don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.